Hello guys, welcome to the journey. This time, our adventure takes us to the beautiful Banks Lake, where we together will be camping, fishing, cooking, and having a lot more fun. Banks Lake is a stunning reservoir in central Washington, known for its clear water, rocky cliffs, and wide-open skies. The fishing here is great. We're hoping to catch some bass tomorrow, maybe even a surprise or two. And the best part? It's just a few hours from Seattle and no rain out here. Finally, some sun. We're excited for a fun few days, but first let's build our camp, where we'll be living for the next 3 nights. A little off-roading before we reach our spot. And you might be wondering, who is this little guy? This is my nephew. He decided to tag along for the adventure, and his parents will be joining us later tonight. For now, we're going to work on making our camp look as awesome as possible. It's great having friends who handle all the hard work, so I can just stand here with the camera and film.
Помагайте мені. О, я буду лишній в кадрі просто.
Alright, now it's my turn to get to work setting up the sleeping tent. And yes, I promise I actually do more than just hold the camera. While I set up the tent, my friend's getting the fire going, the most important part of camping. The little man's enjoying the fire. I'm starting to think he's a little too fascinated by it.
Забирай 2.
This little boy loves soda way too much. Good thing he hasn't figured out how to open the can yet. It's getting dark, and we're starting to get hungry. Time to make some dinner. He's craving that classic American taste again, you know. Good old Coca-Cola. These are the sticks we'll use to roast our sausages, just like real camping should be. Now we're going to enjoy our hot dogs, then get some rest in the tent. See you in the morning. Another group arrived late last night, and they brought a boat with them. Looks like we're in for a great day. But first, we need to get it in the water. It's the middle of the day, the sun's blazing, and the heat is on. Time to take the boat and go get some ice. The closest shop is nearly an hour from here. Luckily, going by water should get us there faster. Banks Lake is massive, nearly 27 miles long, deep, and surrounded by beautiful cliffs and views. Here we are, a small town called Electric City, known for being right next to the famous Grand Coulee Dam. We grabbed some ice for our drinks, and now we're back on the water with plenty of fun waiting ahead. We stopped in the middle of the lake. In this heat, it is impossible to stay off the water. We will have to spend some time here swimming. Moments like this, that's why we film everything. Every dive feels like freedom. Next up, it's this boy's very first time on a jet ski, riding under careful supervision. But what happened next shocked all of us. Nobody expected an experienced rider to fall off. How fun can it be if you don't slip into the water at least once? You never know when something might go wrong, so it's better to keep your camera on all the time. Look at this. It was hilarious watching this couple try to climb back onto the jet ski. We're heading back to camp. It's lunchtime, and time to cook up something to eat. On the menu today, pilaf, a classic Central Asian rice dish, rich with spices and flavor. Have you ever tried it before? Everything's ready, just a splash of lemon juice on the salad, and it's time to dig in. Bon appetit! Outdoors makes everything taste better. The guys approve. Dinner plan is simple. Catch some fish and cook up a fresh fish soup. No catch means no dinner, so let's go on the hunt. The best time to catch bass is early morning or late evening, when they come close to the surface to feed. In the heat of the day, they move down into cooler, deeper water and become much harder to catch. First volunteer for tonight's meal. Every fish we catch brings us closer to dinner. Thinking about warm soup by the fire keeps us fishing. We're still expecting more people to join our camp, so we need to catch enough fish for everyone. This one is too small. We gonna let him go. For a moment, we're not guys. We're predators on the water. We're changing spots now, moving the boat to a new place to try our luck. That's it for today's fishing. Time to head back and cook our catch. While someone prepares dinner, the fish need to be cleaned and gutted before cooking. It's not the prettiest job, but somebody's got to do it, and it's the secret to a delicious dinner. Let's give him some space with the fish and get the campfire going. Just in time. Here they come, and the fish soup is almost ready. Our camp is now full, and the evening turned a little windy, but no storm ahead. Tomorrow promises even more fun as we head out by boat to a remote island. Everyone's getting their tents ready and settling in for the night. Some are enjoying eating soup, while I'm busy capturing every moment to make this video for you. A lot of work goes into it, so make sure to like and subscribe. But it's not the end yet, so stay tuned. I woke up to the amazing smell of breakfast. Looks like I overslept a bit, the guys are already cooking. We fuel up with our favorite drink, Coca-Cola, and head out to the remote island. On the way, someone suddenly wanted to stop for a morning swim, and how could we say no to that kind of fun? There's nothing too special about this small island except for one thing. It's home to plenty of snakes. Venomous rattlesnakes are especially common here. Our plan for the next few hours is simple. Have some fun, enjoy food and fruit, then head back to camp to get everything ready for tomorrow's departure. Our camping trip here comes to an end. It's time to pack up and head on our way. In the meantime, my nephew and I are heading up the hill to show you the beautiful view of Banks Lake from above. As we went up the hill, everyone left us behind. We need to catch up with them. Good thing they didn't go far. Leaving without saying goodbye, yeah, that's never a good sign. Wasting every bit of energy that left of our beautiful trip. Another great trip comes to an end, but the memories will last.